There's a meaningful difference between a car seat that meets the minimum and one designed to grow safely with your child for years. If extended rear-facing protection matters to you, this is a model worth serious consideration. Welcome to Buy with Confidence. Today we're reviewing the Graco Extend2Fit 3-in-1 convertible car seat. This is a 3-in-1 convertible car seat built for parents who want long-term use, enhanced rear-facing capacity, and installation confidence. It transitions from rear-facing harness to forward-facing harness, and eventually to a high-back booster. If you're planning for newborn through elementary years and prefer buying once rather than upgrading multiple times, this product is directly relevant to you. The purchase link is available in the description. Let's walk through the most important buying reasons. Reason number 1. Extended rear-facing for enhanced safety. Safety experts recommend keeping children rear-facing as long as possible. This seat supports rear-facing from 4 to 50 pounds, higher than many standard convertible seats. The adjustable 4-position extension panel provides up to 5 inches of additional legroom, making extended rear-facing practical and comfortable. That combination allows families to prioritize safety without compromising space. Reason number 2. True 3-in-1 longevity. 4 to 100 pounds range. The Extend2Fit grows with your child across 3 stages. Rear-facing harness, 4 to 50 pounds. Forward-facing harness, 26.5 to 65 pounds. And high-back booster, 40 to 100 pounds. That wide range covers early infancy through later childhood. From a value perspective, this significantly reduces the need for future replacements, making it a smart long-term investment. Reason number 3. ProtectPlus engineering for added confidence. This seat is engineered under Graco's ProtectPlus standards, designed to meet or exceed testing for frontal and side impacts, including side impact testing aligned with FMVSS 213A, using the built-in 5-point harness. For parents comparing safety benchmarks, those certifications provide measurable reassurance during decision-making. Reason number 4. Effortless adjustability as your child grows. The Nori Thread's Simply Safe Adjust Harness system allows the headrest and harness to adjust together in one smooth motion. With 10 headrest positions, achieving a precise fit becomes far easier as your child grows. This reduces installation errors and helps maintain proper harness positioning over time, an often overlooked but critical safety detail. Reason number 5. Simplified installation and everyday usability. Installation confidence is strengthened by the push-button InRight LATCH system, designed for 1-second attachment with an audible click. The 6-position recline supports proper positioning in different vehicles, and fuss-free harness storage pockets keep straps out of the way during loading and unloading. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it's appreciated not only for safety, but for reducing daily friction in real-world use. Final verdict. The Graco Extend2Fit 3-in-1 convertible car seat stands out for its extended 50 pounds rear-facing capacity, thoughtful growth design, and strong safety credentials. It is larger than some ultra-compact convertible models, so smaller vehicles may require careful measurement before purchase. However, for families who prioritize keeping their child rear-facing longer and want a seat that spans from infancy to booster years, this model delivers exceptional long-term value. It's particularly well-suited for safety-focused parents planning ahead rather than replacing seats frequently. If extended rear-facing capability and long-term practicality align with your goals, this is a car seat worth considering carefully. Take a closer look using the link in the description and choose with clarity and confidence.